Hi everyone, today I wanna show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube on your PC. Alright, well, let's jump right into here. So here I am on my desktop and I'm on YouTube and it is bright and it is hurting my eyes. So how do we turn on dark mode? It is super easy to turn on dark mode. What we do is we're gonna go up to the top right hand corner here where you see something called the me. Okay, click here, control, and it has my little picture up there. I'm going to click on that, and then within this menu, as you can see, there are many different settings, but we're looking for is called dark theme. Okay, right now it's off, and I'm gonna click on that, and it says dark theme turns the light surfaces of the page dark. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn that on, and there we go. YouTube is now in dark theme. Okay, as you can see, YouTube is now in dark theme or dark mode. It's a lot more easy on my eyes, especially at night. It's a lot easier for me to see. As you can see, guys, simply my YouTube is in dark mode. Hopefully guys you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get any notification anytime new content like this comes out. Okay, if you want to return in the bright mode, again same steps. Go to dark theme, and in the dark theme click here, the bright side, return again. That's it. If you have any other things that you're trying to figure out how to do, if you want any other tutorial, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to make. Alright everyone, thanks a lot. See you next time.